Hey, this is Chad with Full Swing, here to show you a little bit about how to turn your simulator on. The first step is going to be to hit the power button on the tower PC, which is going to be located in the computer cabinet. Next, you're going to hit the on button, which is going to be located on the projector remote to fire that up. The Full Swing OS is automatically going to open when you turn your computer on, but if for some reason it doesn't, it can be accessed by clicking the Full Swing OS button. Next, on this screen, you're going to select the Run button right at the top middle. Now this is going to bring you into your carousel, and all of the software that you have loaded on your simulator is going to show up on this screen here. For this, we're going to jump into the Full Swing Golf software. On the main screen, you're going to have two options. You're going to either play golf or hit the driving range. For this demonstration, we'll hit play golf. First thing you're going to do is select the number of players. It can be easily added or subtracted at the top here. You can select whether you're right-handed, the tee box you play, the handicap, and if there's even a boost. Next selection is going to bring up your course library. By scrolling at the top, you can select any course in the library. Next will be the number of holes you want to play, the front, the back, or all 18 holes. Here are all your settings, which you can change from player to player or from round to round. And last, you're going to select the mode of play. Go ahead and hit start, and you're off and running. Now that we're on the first tee, I'm going to show you a little bit how the simulator works. So our overhead Ion 3 camera is capturing all the club head data. In order to get that data, we need to make sure the golf ball is in the right area. At the top center of the screen, you can see there's a green check mark there. That's showing that the golf ball is in the right zone. If the golf ball was not in the right zone, you get a big red X up there showing you that you need to get the ball back in the area. So by putting it back towards the center of the mat, I get the green check mark. Now I'm good to go. Now the post-shot data screen is going to pop up once this ball stops rolling. That's going to show me all my data, even the replay from the Ion 3 camera, before it goes to the next shot. Let's say I didn't hit that ball exactly how I wanted to, or I wanted to take a mulligan. I can do that through the touchscreen. So I wasn't super happy with that shot I just hit. As you can see my ball on the right edge up there, I'm going to hit a mulligan. So by selecting the button at the bottom of the screen, at the very top, now we have mulligan. It's going to ask you if you want to make sure. And now it's back to player one, which was my shot, back on the first tee. Let's say I hit another poor shot, or two or three more in a row, and I just want to end this hole for myself. At the same menu button, there's a ball pickup. And you can pick that up, and it'll automatically give you double what the par is for that hole. Let's say the group's done with this course, and maybe you want to jump into something new. At that same button down at the bottom left corner, there's going to be an exit round. Go ahead and select that. It's making sure you want to end it for the whole group. And now we're back to the main screen. So if you wanted to play a different course, jump back into play golf and go through that same process. If you want to go to the driving range, go ahead and select driving range. Or maybe you want to do something completely different, play a sport or a different game. You can actually exit the software program entirely and jump you back to the carousel. This is where you're going to be able to select. Maybe we want to go into one of the multi-sport games or even one of the golf-related games in Showdown Golf if that's something you have loaded.